Hi guys, welcome back to channel. Today we are discussing how to apply Vietnam eVisa online. This is the official website for Vietnam, and here you can see the conditions and visa fee. $25 for single entry and $50 for multiple entry. Before starting the video, if you are watching my channel first time, please subscribe. And here apply the visa and read the declaration and instruction for applying the visa. And here they are listed some land borders, sea borders and air borders. So you have to select, when filling the application, you have to select which airport you are intended to enter. That airport you have to select from here. There are 3 steps for application. One is filling out online application, review application, submit and payment. And here we have to upload photo and passport, front page. And this is a one-page form. You have to fill your personal information like your name, nationality, date of birth, and ID card number. ID card number you can mention Aadhaar card number. That is not mandatory, but you can mention it. And religion, place of birth, and email ID and contact number. So on the application purpose, I'm just mentioning here all just for a random details. When you're filling your application, please make sure the detail as per your documents. This section is very important. To issue eVisa for, here you have to select single or multiple, and you have to mention the visa grant visa validity from. You need which date the visa valid and till which date it will be valid. So this is very important. The same, once the visa is issued, the same date will be reflected in your visa. So you have to make sure actually when you are traveling, on the basis you have to select visa validity from and to. This is very important. And next section will be the passport information. You have to keep your passport details, basic like passport number, issuing authority, type of passport, that is ordinary passport, issue and expiry date. Next step will be the contact information, that is your address, residential address and telephone number and all, and they will ask the emergency contact also, that you can mention any of your relatives details. And next step will be the occupation, what type of job you are doing, that detail you have to mention, and residential address in Vietnam, and purpose of your visit like tourism, and the date, internet date and length of stay, it will be auto fetch because we are mentioned earlier the visa validity from and to, that's why. And here you have to mention which hotel you are going to stay. So I'm just mention Ho Chi Minh City I'm going to travel, so you have to select on the basis of which city you are traveling, and selecting both here the capital. And next step will be they're asking the community, okay, internet board gate of entry, so I'm just mentioning the Tan Son airport in Ho Chi Minh City, that is the intended point of entry and point of exit. Both are same airport. So here also very important, you have to mention which airport you are going to travel, on the basis you have to select here. And here committed to declarations. And next step will be They're asking accompany children. So no, I'm not mentioning anything here. So next up will be trip expenses. Trip expenses, they are asking who is bearing the cost. So I'm just mentioning who I'm the one bearing the expenses. So how much the expenses, how much the money you have. So figure out the US dollar, how much you have. And here personally I'm paying, and they are asking I have insurance also, and payment method is cash. After that we are going to review the application and submit and make the payment. And after the payment, visa processing is taking 4 to 5 working days. You will get the update. Hope you guys understand about Vietnam eVisa, how to apply. Any question you can put on comment. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in another video. Thank you.